Hello everyone, this is the 1/400 scale diecast Aeroclassics Delta Airlines Boeing 737-232 Advanced. This model is produced by Aeroclassics in 2023, with the aircraft sporting the 1990s era Ron Allen livery. The aircraft is powered by two JT8D low bypass turbofans, producing up to about 14,000 pounds force or 62 kilonewtons combined. Each aircraft can hold up to a maximum of 118 passengers in a single-class configuration. This aircraft has a cruise speed of 473 knots, or 876 kilometers an hour, with a range of 1,500 nautical miles, or 2,800 kilometers. This 737-200 was originally delivered to Delta Airlines in September of 1984. The aircraft initially sported the classic red, white, and blue Widget design Delta Airlines was known for until the 1990s. The aircraft received the registration of November 317DL. Beginning in 1998, this aircraft began serving in the No Frills Delta Express service from 1998 to 2003, when that service was replaced by Song Airlines. This aircraft returned to normal Delta service until 2005, when it was stored at the Victorville aircraft storage facility. Starting in 2007, the aircraft was purchased by the Venezuelan airline Avior Airlines, given a new red and white livery, and re-registered as YV341T. During its time with Avior, this aircraft flew international routes around the Gulf of Mexico and the Caribbean Sea. In late 2011, the aircraft was painted in a yellow version of the Avior livery and soon re-registered as YV2794. By the beginning of 2014, the aircraft returned to the red Avior livery, and as current records indicate, in early 2023, the aircraft, after 38 years of service, continues flying passengers. Please let your friends and family who collect know about our channel and spread the word. And as always, thank you, and like and subscribe. If you like our videos, please check out the link seen here, pointed out by my merry pachyderm friends, and as well as a link to my channel. Thank you, and good day.